This is my French press coffee maker. I'm bougie now, okay? I just at this, I broke my last coffee maker. Since we snowed in, this old DoorDash could deliver from the wagons. Some coffee and for the French press. Now I know I overpaid for this little device, but it's worth it. And plus, you know, I always gotta have shit for my social media. Okay. Alright, so 3 spoons of coffee. Alright, boom. Got the 3 spoons of coffee in there. Boom. Next step is hot water. Just a little bit. Let that steep for like 30 seconds. Alright. Let that go for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, we can go ahead and fill her up. Not all the way though. Alright, boom. Alright, so then after that, we're just gonna let it sit. Let that steep for 3 minutes. Alright, missed the step. I'm supposed to stir it up. And it gotta be like a wooden spoon when you stir it up. Make sure ain't no bars at the bottom. Alright. So I stirred it up. Gotta make sure that the tip is at the strainer. See, you got the little strainer. So I'm gonna sit that right there. And give it a few minutes. So we're looking at 1 more minute. Alright, so we almost done. I'm gonna add my creamer. And this is good because I don't want to have to overdo it. Alright, so now we back. We press down, and now we push down on the strainer. Alright. Make sure everything's lined up in the front. And here we go. Let's pour. As you can see, the coffee grounds at the bottom. That is called French press coffee. I didn't do a great job because I still got some stuff in it. My first cup was good. My first batch was pretty good.